happens if there's delay or issue with the shipment, and how will you notify us?
If there's a problem for the shipment, first of all, I will call the customer and sasabihin ko kung anong problema at issue ng product, kung bakit may delay. Then sasabihin ko rin kung anong oras dadating yung delivery sa customer.
How do you handle product spoilage or damage during transportation, and what is your process for replacement or refund?
If our product is have a damage, pwede namin tong palitan or pwede nilang ibalik yung product sa amin during the checking or receiving the products. Kung ilan lang yung gusto nilang kunin sa amin, yun lang yung nila babayaran or bibigyan namin ng receipt. Yung mga damage, kung may problema man, babalik na lang namin.
Can you describe your procedure for addressing food safety concerns or recalls, and how do you communicate with customers?
For our food safety, ginagawa namin bago namin i-deliver yung food, kailangan talaga namin i-rice or palitan ng tubig, lalo na mga seafoods, yung mga ini-deliver namin. Kailangan niyang palitan ng tubig, ng yelo, bago i-deliver. Para walang ma-dispose na may damage, ganyan, chine-check yun. We also prioritize the transparency and safety of the customer.
How do you manage inventory levels and prevent stockouts and overstocking? And what are the consequences for the customers?
Of order, kasi may mga exact order siya MWF. Then doon na namin dinibase kung kailan kami mag-restock or kailan kami mag-restock, kung kailan kami bibili ng kailangan namin i-stock para i-deliver sa ngayong araw at sa susunod pa na araw. So para ma-minimize yun, every day kailangan sine-check namin yung mga stocks namin kasi hindi naman araw-araw may deliver. So alternate lang siya. Kung deliver ngayon, bukas magre-restock kami para to the next day may i-deliver kami. Ganun lang.
Go.
How do you handle customer complaints or issues with products, and what is your process for resolving problems and improving service?
For the issue of products, minsan kasi tumatawag sa amin yung customer na may sira or may amoy yung product na diniliver na. Ang ginagawa namin doon, tatawagan namin sila, then sasabihin namin kung kailan kami pupunta or kailan namin papalitan yung product nila, i-check kung may damage ba talaga or kung may issue talaga yung product. Then saka namin papalitan kung na-approve namin na may issue or damage talaga yung product na sinasabi nila.
Can you provide information on your product testing and inspection procedures?
For our product testing, dinadala namin sa kanila yung mga product, pinapakita namin sa kanila. Lalo na kung bago pa lang sila na customer namin. Pinapacheck namin sa kanila yung mga product, kung may damage ba or may issue sa product na binibenta namin. Or tapos, dun naman sa inspection, pag magdi-deliver kami, pagdating dun sa buyer, ini-inspect talaga nila lahat ng product, tinitingnan nila bago nila kunin. Kumbaga, iniisa-isa nila para makita nila kung may problema sa isang product or kung madami man. Para iniisa-isa nila, kumbaga, para malaman kung damage is malaki ba, ganyan. Yun lang.
Can you guarantee the freshness and quality of your seafood products?
Yes, I can guarantee the freshness of our seafoods. Kasi everyday naman may dumadating na supply. So, everyday din may nadi-dispose. And magre-restock lang naman kami or mag-i-stock kami if ever na may supply ngayon tapos hindi naubos. Pero kinabukasan, may another supply na naman na dadating. Then, ayun yung i-deliver namin para sa mga clients namin na mga restaurant, ganyan.